Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be an accessory video for the MI Band 4. Now a lot of people have been asking me regarding original straps for the MI Band 4 because they can't find any on the MI website. But there's a thing that a lot of people don't know, which I knew when I saw the design itself. I told you in the starting itself that it looks exactly like the MI Band 3, just that the top portion is different. That is that this can actually take the straps of the MI Band 3. So the MI Band 3 straps and the MI Band 4 straps are the same. So you can go to the store, get the MI Band 3 strap and then put that on your MI Band 4. So basically you get 4 colors: black, blue, orange and this wine red. So those 4 colors are available depending on which store you go to, if you get the right color or not. Mostly they all have the wine red color there. So in case you want the other ones, I would suggest you to just buy it online from the MI store. There are a lot of third-party options available on Amazon, Flipkarts and all, but you can't really guarantee how good or skin friendly they would be. The original ones are much better. They do not give you irritation. They are skin friendly. The design is better, the flexibility is better, and they last longer. So let's go ahead, just check if it actually fits or not. So I just got a fresh piece, it's not yet opened, so we'll open it up and then see if it fits the MI Band 4 or not. So this is the wine red edition. Now we have to open it from here. Now the MRP on this says $349, but you can actually get it for $249 from the MI store. Okay, let's move all this aside. Okay, so that is the MI Band 3/4 strap. Now let's take the strap out of the MI Band 4. Sorry, let's take the MI Band 4 out of that original strap, the black one. Now let's put it into the wine red one. And that's it. Perfect fit. So that's how you actually change the strap for your MI Band 4. You can get the MI Band 3 strap and then put it for your 4. So the strap is same for the MI Band 4 and the MI Band 3. Now this is the same case with the HRX band and the MI Band 2. So both of them shared the strap. Now the MI Band 3 and 4 shares the strap. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.